So data categories are the internal version of Salesforce that allows you to segment your knowledge. It's a multi-level tree that allows you to have internal, external, and different sort of groupings of knowledge so that it's easier to navigate. We're going to go into our data category setup first. And you'll see I've already got an active category set up, but just so that we can all walk through, we're going to create a new one. You can name it anything you want. I'm just going to call it demo because I'm going to delete it. So we'll click save. And you'll see two things happen. As soon as you create that top level category group, you'll see that you get these subgroupings beneath it. These are the actual categories. And then you'll also notice that while you're modifying it, it is down here in the inactive category group. So in here, we're going to say category 1, add, category 2, add, and category 3, add. Now, in the ones that we're actually going to be showing each other, one second, so let's save that. In the ones that we're going to actually be finishing out, what I actually did was fact, news, and marketing, just so that it's a little bit closer to reality. But as a simple demo, this is how you add a top level category. And of course, beneath that, you can add a sibling, child, a sibling or a child category. You can edit it or you can delete it. Once you've got your top level categories, you can click on this and you can activate the category group. And activating the category group will move it up into the active category group section. And that's going to make it available to people. That's going to make it available to you to make available to different different audiences. So the way that we do that is we go to default data category visibility. So you'll see in here, I've got my partner. This is the one that we're going to be using for the most part, but you're going to want to come into here and you're going to want to find the category that you've created and you're going to want to click into it. So here, you're going to go to the category group visibility section and you're going to click edit and you're going to say visibility all categories. Now you do have the option of doing a custom category, which allows you to pick individual categories and then make that available to different groups, while still keeping some of them away. So you could pick just FAQ and just marketing and have that be available while keeping news as an internal. But for our purposes, we want them all available. So we're just going to click all categories. All right. So now that we've got our data category set up, there's one more thing that we have to do. We have to go back to the custom profile that we created for our partners. And you can do that by going to the setup menu and clicking profiles, and then doing a Control F on the page and finding the custom partner profile that you've created. You're going to navigate all the way to the bottom, unless you have the enhanced list view on. If you have the enhanced list view on, then you're just going to want to search for category group visibility settings. So either go to the bottom or find category group visibility settings. And here you're going to want to, again, edit partner, make sure that everything is good and that this says all categories are visible to this profile. Click edit, make sure it says all categories. And from there, you'll be good to go.